press is always talking about the saturation of lawyers currently, that the market is soft for lawyers, and that's undoubtedly true, but that ironically has created a market for skilled paralegals.
I felt like the paralegal program would give me an edge to where I could, I could increase my earning capacity.
The first semester, the students focus on the basics. We learn about the court system, some fundamental areas of substantive law. They also have a one-night-a-week class in legal research and writing, so they understand where the law is and how to access it. Once they have that fundamental part under their belts, they move on to the second semester, which is 100% litigation. A more in-depth look at the court system, everything from pleadings through trial and appellate work, how all of what they've learned plays out in the courtroom for trial resolution of disputes. The third semester is almost entirely specialty work. Students will study business law, they'll study criminal law, domestic law.
The faculty in the paralegal certificate program, they're all outstanding. They're experienced practicing attorneys. They share their knowledge, they share their experiences, they give you warnings, what not to do. They all have expressed, willingness for us to call on them at any time, for references or for advice, and they've been great, even after the program is over.
Most, if not all, of the faculty are still in private practice. So students have the experience of working with not only someone who understands how to present the material from an academic standpoint, but how to apply it in a real-world, day-to-day application, which is necessary because we all know that what you learn in books and what you do on the job can be entirely different things.
This program has definitely helped me to advance my career. Although I work in a law firm, the knowledge that I've gained has given me a greater understanding of the whole legal process and how things fit. It's also given me motivation to increase my knowledge so that I can be a more valuable asset to my attorney.
I've been in the program 13 years, and I'm still hearing from students I heard from and worked with back in 2001. I would say a large percentage of them have gone on to law school. They are working in private firms, major corporations, nonprofits, volunteer work. A lot of them are working for the court system, for the King County Bar Association. We have students throughout every possible strata of the legal system in the state of Washington, and very, very few of them did not meet not only with success, but superlative success.
We got together for dinner about a month ago, and we all talked about what we were doing and what kind of law, and everyone's in a different field. It's really interesting. There's real estate, there's bankruptcy, and there's litigation.
I can't think of any program for paralegal studies in the Puget Sound area that has a better reputation than the University of Washington's.